In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Pipedrive pipeline and stages in an easy and straightforward way. If you're new to Pipedrive or simply looking to optimize your sales process, this tutorial is perfect for you. By the end, you'll know how to configure your pipeline to best fit your business needs, ultimately helping to streamline your operations. Let's kick things off by launching Pipedrive and heading over to the Deals section. This is where all the magic happens. It's the primary hub where you'll handle all your business interactions. Once you're in the Deals section, locate your pipelines. You can think of these pipelines as the backbone of your sales process. They help you visualize your sales opportunities and track progress. After getting a view of your pipelines, it's time to customize them to suit your workflow. Start by clicking Edit Pipeline. This allows you to begin making the necessary adjustments. Now let's say you want to add a new pipeline. Just click on the Add Pipeline button. Adding a new pipeline can be beneficial if you want to manage different types of sales processes separately or if you're looking to expand your business services. Once you've created your new pipeline, it's time to arrange it according to your preference. You can click and drag the pipelines to reorder them. This flexibility lets you prioritize certain processes, making sure you can easily access the ones you use most frequently. Additionally, you have the option to rename your pipelines to make them more descriptive and meaningful to your team. For instance, if a pipeline is currently named after a generic phase, consider renaming it to reflect a specific project or campaign. This simple step helps in better identification and reduces confusion. Moving on, if you realize some of the stages within a pipeline are no longer necessary, Pipedrive allows you to delete these stages with ease. This helps keep your pipeline clutter-free and focused on relevant tasks. Streamlining your stages can lead to more efficient team collaboration and quicker closure rates. Finally, after you've made all your changes, don't forget to click on Save Changes. This final step ensures all your hard work is retained and ready for action. Without saving, you might lose your edits and have to start over. So it's always a good idea to double-check that you've saved everything correctly. By following these simple steps, you'll have a Pipedrive setup that not only fits your business goals, but also boosts your team's productivity. Whether you're adjusting existing pipelines or creating new ones, each customization brings you closer to a more organized and effective sales process. Thank you for watching, and happy pipeline setting!